In this video, we're going to talk about the notes under the discussion tab in tasks under projects in Tidy. So a few things to digest there again. So what are we doing? So we're looking at projects again. Now this can be for your internal projects or connected projects. And this is an area where you can write notes about a certain task. Think of it as like an internal area that you can just drop down a couple of notes for someone else to have a look at, or for yourself, just so you know where you're up to with that particular task, as sometimes, you know, you can get dragged away from that task and then you need to go action something else. So how do we do that? All right, you'll see on my screen here, we're in my projects section and we're in my active projects. So what I want to do is write some notes about a particular task I've been working on or I'm currently thinking about. I'm going to jump into the internal one that we're doing. So the internal one that I have is this Q1 governance review that I'm working on. Okay, so this is me, I'm the owner. I have assigned it to Melanie. So perhaps Melanie's away and I've just got to jot down some notes for Melanie or for myself about this particular one. So head over to your task. Now, which one was I thinking about? So perhaps I was thinking about refreshing our meetings and project templates in TidyHQ. So I'll click in here and you'll see there's a little pop-up on the right-hand side of our screen here. So this discussions area, and you'll see I can pop in a new note. So I'm just going to write a new note. So let's just say we need to make sure we include and all right, cool. So I've dropped down a note here. Now the note will stick there, and let's just say next time Melanie goes in there, she'll be able to see that there's a note on this particular task. So that's how you use notes. Super easy to use.